Hi everyone! I'm Owen, and today we're going to learn about something super cool: time. Specifically, we'll be comparing, describing, and solving practical problems related to time. So, our big goal today is to understand how things can be quicker, slower, earlier, or later. It's like learning to be time detectives. Before we dive in, let's make sure we know our vocabulary. Quicker means faster, and slower means, you guessed it, slower. Earlier is before, and later is after. Got it? Awesome! Imagine these are two cars racing. If one car is faster than the other, which one is quicker? That's right! The faster one! And if one is slower, well, you got it again! Now, let's talk about earlier and later. Look at this picture of a morning routine. If brushing teeth comes before eating breakfast, which one is earlier? That's right, brushing teeth is earlier. Now, for a bit of a challenge. Imagine you have a school day. If lunchtime is later than playtime, but earlier than the end of the day, when might lunchtime be? Think about it! Lunchtime is between playtime and the end of the day. That's solving a real-world problem with time. Quicker means faster. And slower means, well, slower. Earlier is before, and later is after. We can use these concepts to solve real-world problems, like figuring out the order of events in our day. Thanks for joining me on this time adventure! Until next time, keep being awesome time detectives! See you later!